ang huli na hindi matatawa, mananalo ng 20,000 pesos.
You out?
You out?
Yes, I'm in. Get out with me.
Oh, I'm in. Sorry guys, I'm singing. You have that logo. You have to use jack.
Andiyan na ba lahat? Andiyan na? Andiyan na? Ligaw, tipon-tipon kayo dito sa gitna. Tipon-tipon. Kasi boy, may napanood ako. Ito napanood ko to kay Sir Sik, tsaka kay Mama Parinaji. Ito yung, panoorin niya. Ito yung nag-i-English sila, pero wala talagang context yung pag-i-English nila. Sample.
The life of you there in the world, in the Cebuano, in the Visayas? In the Cebuano. Island of other.
Ang nakakapagtaka dyan, di naman naiintindihan English, pero naiintindihan ko sila. kaya maganda. Sige, yan pa na konti.
How about we keep the ecosystem?
Random. Yan yung random na English.
Wow, it's angels like a burger.
Okay, so parang gano'n siya. Ito, tatawagin natin tong English conference. Ngayon, pagpasok natin dito sa Glass House, lahat ay mag-i-English at kahit na ano masabi, basta magkakaintindihan tayo o hindi man, wala akong pakialam. Ngayon, kailangan seryoso. Katulad ng ginagawa ni Sir Sik at saka ni Mama Parinaji, kailangan seryoso. Ang matawa o ngumiti, tanggal na. At ang huli na hindi matatawa, mananalo ng 20,000 pesos. Kaya okay na ba kayo? Handa na ba kayo sa ngayon? Ikaw, hindi ka muna kasali, Chito. Hindi ka muna kasali, mag-video ka muna. Ako na lang bahala sa'yo para syempre makita. Kasi ikaw ang magmi-minutes ng meeting. Okay? Ikaw ang magmi-minutes ng meeting. Kaya again, pagpasok natin dito, magsisimula na ang meeting. At ang ngumiti at tumawa, tanggal na. Are you ready?
No smiling and no laughing.
No smiling, no laughing, rocking on your boat. That's the expensive.
Game!
Ready?
Ready.
And
Go.
let's start the meeting. Let's start the meeting. I assemble the tables and chairs. 1.5 per each. Okay, let's go.
You wake up in the morning and you get up out of bed.
Okay? Everybody are settled down?
Yes, we are.
Okay, again, this is a English conference. So the one remaining will become the champion of the Philippines and receive 20,000 pesos. So let's start the meeting. But again, this meeting is a very serious matter. Do you understand peanut butter?
Yes.
Okay. Alam mo na tatawa mo. Ano eh. Okay, simula na. Okay. Let's start the meeting.
Let's start.
Let's start. First of all.
Power up.
Okay.
That's the rules for us.
Toothache. Okay. Take it. Okay. Before we start the meeting, let me open the table and let's identify ourselves. First of all, I'm Gaby. I'm the president of this company, and I'd like to share the background of mine and you know the chemistry. The next is chemist 4, 5, 6. Stand up and go. And again, can you tell us about yourself?
You out? You out? Yes, I'm in. Okay. My name is Carla. I live over there. And I just walk around.
Okay. Can you go back again? This is a very formal. So let's not know our names because we already know our names, right?
Yes,
So,
yes.
again, we will give you another chance and let's start our meeting. Okay. The topic of this meeting is all about serious matter like friendship.
Friendship.
Okay. So,
Friendship highway?
friendship. Okay, again, let's give our chance. Tama mo tayo. Okay. Again, English conference starts now. Okay, the topic for this meeting is all about friendship. Everybody can say their opinion and everybody can slice the onion. Okay. Okay, do you know that friendship is one of the most valuable thing in the world? Like, if you go to the concept of parliamentary concept and it involves nature spring. So, how can... I'm crying.
Friendship?
I'm crying because it touched my
Friendship with nature's spring?
Yeah.
Friendship is the rocket ship.
How about you? How about you, sir? How Sir Kyle? What's your opinion about this?
Oh, I'm in. I am. Oh, I'm in. I am. Oh, I'm in. I am. Oh, I'm in. I am.
Meeting a journey to the center of the earth?
Wait. Again, Jesse, sit down. Let's clarify this. Let's clarify this. Let's clarify this. If someone gets laugh or smile, everybody has a chance to smile with. But the one that got away will go away.
Katy Perry.
The world will be end soon.
Why?
So,
Oh my.
because of the crocodile
Crocodile?
people.
Oh, a lot of crocodile.
And do you know why is the world is ending soon?
When did that?
Because we can't control the blood. Yeah. What's your thought about that?
What again?
About
What
that.
topics?
You're not listening.
I'm in the middle of
Do you
the...
love Watabox?
Okay, so start. You're not laughing about us.
I'm so sorry!
God.
You're very
Get out, Will Smith.
You're very
I'm very bad.
Control.
Why are you laughing?
You're out.
Go.
You're out.
You're out.
You're out! You're out!
Brave.
Go.
Brave.
You're out now. You're taking out now.
I'm playing. Did you see me laugh?
No.
How about you, Cutie? What's your thought about that?
My thought in the meeting is so
Okay.
in the meeting is so
Okay.
Wala pa si Jer kasi.
Stand up and you can go away to this meeting. You are not serious about this stuff.
Yes, you can go now.
sorry.
I have full of thoughts, but I can't keep my laughter.
How can you unite the Philippines if there was a contractor?
The contractors is power of no.
The power
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 Power off.
Can you get out?
Can you get out? Both of you. I'm sorry. You just
The power
power off?
The power of tooth is Bluetooth.
Yeah. You can connect the
transfer
Bluetooth.
it.
Yes, to transfer for everything what happened today.
Yes, you can transfer it to outer
If you have that Bluetooth, you have to use jack. 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 Job is Jack. You have to use jack.
Yeah, do you know fried itik?
Yes.
Yeah, it's fried itik.
Yeah, the tinitik.
Yeah.
The Team Itik, and you can use Team Bugok to Team Itik to
Collaboration.
Yeah, the
Bugok na itik. Bugok na itik.
The edit.
And also,
Wait. Can you please keep quiet? If you're going to laugh, just
a quiet place, Netflix.
Fried itik, timbugok. Street food.
yes, with fishball.
Because street food is very good. Also, the Team Itik and Team Bugok. That's called kwek-kwek.
Quick, so it's fast.
That's called kwek-kwek.
Quick, so it's fast.
It's a what?
But do you know the scientific method of kwek-kwek? Because if there's a kwek-kwek, there's a quail egg. That in Spanish is kuya.
Kuya.
So it can be boiled in 360 Fahrenheit.
In what?
You can boil the egg like sugar coated.
The kuya?
So it
The
will
kuya?
gaslight. Yeah.
Gaslight?
Gaslight. You know Buzz Lightyear?
I'm sorry guys, I'm singing.
If you're going to give a topic, what topic do you want to give?
She say singer?
Singer?
I'm a best singer.
Singer.
In KFC, singer.
Yeah.
Singer. It's called evaporation and consolidation.
Oh, but there's a
Yeah.
scientific method about the evaporation condensation, like the
Compressor.
Yeah, it's called hypothesis. You know hypothesis?
Yeah, hypothetically.
But you are going to the hypothalamus.
Hypothalamus?
Inside the cerebrum.
Yeah.
Cerebro.
yes.
But what do you think, Kyle?
It's going to nose. It's going to nose.
Did you know that if you turn around Groji, it's wolf? See, wolf.
Wolf, like
Yeah, wolf.
in the nature spring, you
Yeah.
can see a lot of wolf that combine species in ecosystem, like you are going to breed.
Breed!
Brigitte.
That's the band!
You see Brigitte?
No, it's
No,
the
no,
band!
that's not
The
animal.
breed!
Oh.
If you have peanut butter, you will put it in the bread.
Breed! It's not the London breed? The London breed?
No, if you eat a lot of food, which is you can go fast food.
Big Mac.
If you eat a lot of food, very good.
A lot of food.
Why are you?
Fast food.
Why are you?
It's so itchy.
Itchy.
Itchy
Nadal.
Itchy Nadal. The deadly.
Ichinisan.
Okay. You laugh, so go away. You are not very serious.
So what's this all about?
It's all about bass.
All about bass?
All about bass. Yeah.
All about bass? All about Megan Trainor. You know
Yeah.
Megan Trainor?
Yo, the trainer
All
of the
about
dog.
the case. Okay.
The trainer of the dog.
Trainor, it's Nor, the seasoning.
Nor. The
Seasoning.
Nor is Nora.
Nora o Nor?
Nor. You can provide. You can provide Nor in Norway.
Norway.
Yeah.
Norway.
Norway.
You remember our later discussion
What's ano?
about
What's ano? What's ano? What's ano? I don't
Ano?
know.
No.
Meeting is a combination of meat and ing. So, ing came from the word English.
English.
Yeah.
You know Liz?
Liz? What's Liz?
Liz Queen?
Ah, the Hindi ko na naalilid ko yun. Lisken.
Palaro mo yan eh.
Isa pa, isa pa!
Palaro mo yan eh. Dapat hindi ko ako nanalo.
Teka na lang. Maghanap kayo ng pambato niyo dyan.
Oh.
Kapag natalo niya ako, sa inyo 20,000, paghati-hati kayo.
Ilang pa ba ito?
Isa lang,
Isa
syempre.
lang.
I know already.
What? I don't understand everyone.
So let's start the meeting again. What do you want to talk about?
I want to talk about more.
More. So less is more, but more is less.
Yeah.
How can you distinguish about your rose gold in your arms?
That's Orik and
Orik? What's Orik?
Orik. That's a new called rose gold. Orik. You don't Orik. You don't have Orik.
Ah, okay. So you are not weak.
Yeah.
What are you?
John Wick.
What are you?
John Wick.
If they want to go to English conference, what can you say about them?
You can invite me everywhere, every time, and I'll be there. If you like, I like this.